Hi everybody, today we will start talking about advanced tools in Adobe Illustrator. Now we will start talking about advanced selection tools and select menu. Let's go. When you open Adobe Illustrator you will find this toolbar with basic tools, but there are more tools for professional people, and to show them click on this button and choose this button and choose advanced to show all tools in the program. Today we will talk about Magic Wand tool. This tool related to selection tools, and this tool is used for selecting all shapes with the same color, like this. If I select this rectangle, the all rectangle with the same color were selected, and I can move them or change the color of them. And the same thing with this ellipse and stars. But what about the select menu? I have here select all for select all thing in the artboard, or select on active artboard for only artboard you work in, or deselect for remove the selection, reselect for reselecting any shapes without the shape you are selected, like this, or inverse to inverse the selection. If I select this rectangle and choose inverse, the program will select anything without this rectangle. Next object above, next object below. If I select this object and click on next object above, it will select this object because I draw this object after this. And if I select next object below, it will select this object because I draw this one before this one. And select same like Magic Wand tool. Same in appearance, or same in blending mode, or same in fill and stroke, or same in fill, like this. I can select this and select the same in fill color like Magic Wand tool, or same in opacity, or same in stroke color, or same in stroke weight. And I have select object like brush stroke, like this, or brush stroke, clipping mask, story points, all text object like this. And I have two another options, point type object and area type object. Point type object like I click and type anything, or area for make an area to type in. If I select object, point type object will select this one, and object, area type object, it will select this one.
That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.